Feeling overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information on your trading screen? Ever wish you could customize your Gemini layout to perfectly suit your trading style, giving you a clear, concise view of exactly what you need, when you need it? If you've ever felt like your trading platform was a cluttered mess, or that you were missing crucial information because it was buried under a pile of irrelevant data, then this video is for you. Let's be honest, in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency trading, every second counts. A clunky, disorganized trading layout isn't just an annoyance, it can cost you opportunities, lead to poor decisions, and ultimately, impact your bottom line. Imagine trying to navigate a bustling city street blindfolded. That's what trading with a poorly optimized layout can feel like. You're stumbling, guessing, and constantly trying to catch up. But what if you could tailor your trading environment to be as intuitive and efficient as a high-performance race car cockpit? What if every dial, every gauge, every piece of information was exactly where you expected it to be, readily accessible at a glance? That's the power of a customized trading layout, and today, we're diving deep into how you can achieve just that on Gemini. We're not just talking about moving a few windows around, we're talking about a strategic approach to information organization that can fundamentally transform your trading experience. From understanding the core components of the Gemini interface to leveraging its customization features, we'll walk you through a step-by-step process to build a trading environment that empowers you, rather than hinders you. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of drag-and-drop and resizing, let's first understand the fundamental building blocks of the Gemini trading interface. Think of it like a set of Lego bricks. Each brick has a specific function, and by understanding these functions, you can then assemble them into a powerful and personalized structure. At its core, the Gemini trading platform is designed for clarity and efficiency. You'll typically find a few key areas that are non-negotiable for effective trading. First, there's the order book. This is the heartbeat of the market, displaying all the active buy and sell orders for a particular asset. Understanding the order book is crucial for gauging market sentiment and identifying potential price movements. Next, you have the price chart. This visual representation of an asset's historical price action is your primary tool for technical analysis. Whether you're looking for trend lines, support and resistance levels, or chart patterns, the chart is where you'll find the answers. Then there's your trading panel, where you execute your buy and sell orders. This is where you input your desired price, quantity, and order type. And finally, you'll have some form of account summary or portfolio view, giving you a quick overview of your holdings, available balance, and unrealized gains or losses. Now, while these are the foundational elements, Gemini offers a significant degree of flexibility in how you arrange and interact with them. This is where the magic of customization truly begins. Let's start with a crucial concept: workspaces. Think of a workspace as a saved configuration of your trading layout. Instead of manually rearranging everything each time you log in, you can create different workspaces for different trading strategies or market conditions. For example, you might have a day trading workspace with a highly granular chart and a prominent order book, and a long-term HODL workspace with a simpler chart and a focus on portfolio performance. This ability to switch between pre-configured layouts with a single click is a massive time saver and significantly reduces mental clutter. To access and manage your workspaces, you'll typically find an option within the Gemini interface, often labeled workspaces or layouts. Here, you can create new workspaces, rename existing ones, and most importantly, save your current layout as a new workspace. We'll explore this in more detail as we build our custom layout. Now, let's get hands-on. The primary way you'll customize your Gemini layout is through resizable and movable widgets. Almost every element you see on your screen, the order book, the chart, the trading panel, your open orders, your trade history, can be treated as an individual widget. Imagine your screen as a blank canvas. Each widget is a brushstroke. You have complete control over where that brushstroke goes and how large or small it is. To move a widget, simply click and hold on its title bar or a designated handle, often represented by a few dots or lines, and drag it to your desired location. As you drag, you'll often see snap points or outlines indicating where the widget can be placed, making it easy to align elements perfectly. Resizing is equally straightforward. Hover your mouse over the edge or corner of a widget until your cursor changes to a double-headed arrow. Then, click and drag to expand or shrink the widget to your preferred size. This is particularly useful for optimizing your chart's visibility, ensuring you have enough screen real estate for detailed technical analysis, or for making your order book larger to see more depth. A key aspect of effective layout customization is understanding tabbed widgets. Many widgets in Gemini allow you to create multiple tabs within them. For instance, your trading panel might have tabs for buy, sell, limit, market, and stop orders. Or your asset information widget might have tabs for overview, fundamentals, and news. Leveraging these tabs can significantly reduce clutter without sacrificing access to information. Instead of having 5 separate widgets for different order types, you can have one compact trading panel with easily navigable tabs. Beyond simply moving and resizing, Gemini also offers options to add or remove specific widgets from your layout. This is crucial for tailoring your screen to your exact needs. If you're a beginner, you might want to remove advanced order types or complex charting tools to simplify your view. Conversely, if you're an experienced trader, you might want to add multiple charts for different time frames or a dedicated news feed. Look for a widgets or add panel option, usually accessible through a menu icon or a designated button on your interface. From there, you can browse available widgets and drag them onto your canvas. Similarly, to remove a widget, look for an X icon or a remove option within the widget settings. Now, let's talk about information hierarchy. This is where strategic thinking comes into play. What information is most critical to your trading decisions? What do you need to see at a glance? What can be tucked away in a less prominent position or accessed through a tab? For example, if you're a day trader, your price chart and order book will likely be your most important elements. You'll want them to be large, prominent, and easily visible. Your trading panel should also be readily accessible for quick order execution. Information like your account balance might be important, but perhaps not as critical as live price action. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.